Pinatag, oh.
Ay, andyan pala yung mga grader eh.
Pinatag nila. Parang in-raid na rin nila dito. Dati malubak na dito eh.
Oh, sabi di ba yung iba dyan nakasarado pa nga. Abra, what can you say?
This is the best camping area. Number one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Headed by Bindoy and Jammer.
who's Iceman Viper and Iceman?
Bring it on, man.
Let's
all right.
get it on.
Bindoy,
Ano?
okay ba tayo dyan?
Okay, let's go, let's go.
Hello, Jake. All right. Woohoo!
Send it.
Send it. All right. Hello, hello. Ito na naman kami. We're ready for another day of adventure with Viper, Iceman, and Bindoy, and yours truly, the Jammer. Yan ang aming location na pupuntahan. Weather forecast for today: windy and a little bit of shower. Hopefully no heavy rains. Okay, wish us luck. Oh bro,
Easy mo fire yata yung nangyari sa amin ah.
steep hill.
Bitin eh. Magdadrive tayo along yung river. Binaypas natin yung yung isang campground, yung The Diggings. Medyo merong mga 2-3 river crossing din dun eh. Nilagpasan natin yun. Merong tumatawid, atras muna tayo. Merong tumatawid na black. Ano Jammer, magbibideo ka ba?
Oh, sige, hintayin nyo ako. Wait muna kayo.
Babaw lang naman, matigas yung ilalim.
Sige bro, sundan mo pa siya. Sige, pwede ka pa doon sa baba bro, para malapit lang yung lalakarin ko. Sandali ah. Nakita mo yung linya niya, bro. Huwag masyadong mabilis. Kumbaga steady speed. Okay? Okay, go. Sige bro, medyo speed mo ng konti.
Amer, ang lupit mo talaga.
Viper, how's the experience?
Lupit bro, first time river crossing, baby Olam, copy.
Roger, Roger. That's what you call pleasure.
Yeah, copy. 110 adrenaline, go.
The best, bro.
Ayos yan, yung mga video ko sa inyo, sasend ko na lang sa inyo.
Okay, banat. Pusa, mani-manigi baby Olap.
Jammer, parang kumakain lang yata ng putong pakuwi si baby Olap eh.
Alam mo, naniningal lang ng naniningal lang ng kumain ng popcorn eh.
Ito na ba yung bench na nakita natin kanina o hindi?
Ay, hindi pa, pero okay na dito ah.
Ito kaya, yung nasa dulo, yung kanina?
Ayun daw sa likod, yung niligpasan natin.
Oo, yung unang liko. Wala, medyo may konting lakad lang dun sa drop down toilet pa yun. Ano yan, yung nakikita na yan, yan na yung nakita natin kanina. Oo, pero medyo malayo na dun sa ano eh, sa toilet. Ikot tayo, doon tayo dun sa ano, kabilang dulo. So, mas maganda yung isa, yung isang merong bench. Go. Okay, copy. Yun natin dito.
Solo natin yung yung ground.
Sa inyo, kaya ako ito pinili. Kapag dun tayo sa Lake Wallace, meron tayo masyadong mga kadikit.
Copy.
Sarap uminom ng pampainit ngayon. Maganda yung hindi masyado mainit.
Yun, ang refreshing natin mamaya.
May dala ako dito, Asahi.
Ganun din yata dala namin dito. Ewan ko kung ilang bote yun Saka skewer.
Yun ang the best.
Copy bro. May awaan Diyos. Balik tayo dito bro sa buwan. 9 and 10. Hindi. 8 and 9 yun. 8 yun. February 8. Sabado yun. Tapos yung 9 linggo. What do you think guys?
Okay, i-check muna namin yung aming mga roster. Alam mo naman kami mga hard worker.
What happened? Your car is stuck. Oh no. Need the winch to take? Huh? Come on, you can do it. Give it a bump. Reverse and then bump. Reverse a bit.
It's a rock.
Oh, it's a big rock. Oh, maybe it needs some max tracks. You reckon it needs help?
Yeah.
Okay. Airpot mo. Ako nga pala, pang kon yung kon mo yan, pang anong tawag doon? Instagram. Alvin
Yeah, I got.
setuping his awning with his 150 Prado. Ano bro? Ayos ba?
Ayos bro.
Yun ang the best. Instant shade. Alright.
Dad, where's my chair?
Time check.
Here comes Iceman.
3 o'clock
3 o'clock in the Arvo.
in the Abo, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Alright, how's baby Olaf? Viper?
Yeah, just setting up the tent.
Alright, that's the way. Ready for a big night, huh?
Yes.
Okay. Baby Olaf, FJ, first taste of river crossing.
Woohoo!
The best. We got this.
Waiting for the Barbie.
Yep.
Barbie and Sinigang.
Yun. Yun ang the best. Okay. We have this whole campground to ourselves. No one around. Yep. Here we are. Saturday morning, Saturday Arvo. Got to the campground, setting up. Alright.
Jake knows how to...
Oh, Iceman. What? Ano bang ginagawa mo dyan?
Ito bro, mukhang nauubusan na kami ng pegs
Dami pa oh.
Ayaw, yun pala.
Lupit
Bro,
naman.
may sounds.
The best.
Para lang tayo nasa Pinas bro.
Kaya nga, OPM eh.
Yes. Okay.
Basta makisama lang yung panahon.
Oo, para enjoy lang.
Oo.
Tropa.
Kay Iceman. Pusa, naka-power tools pa. Yun. Sa makita pa yata yan. Yun, no?
Tapat yata sa bato si Mao.
Take two. Eh, paluwag yata bro eh.
Paluwag nga.
Balistad. Oh, take two. Yun, no.
Bira din ang bato eh. Kahit pala bro, may power tool eh.
Wala, pag natapat ka sa bato, eh, wala rin. Ayos. Bro, secure na secure yung swag ni... Kanino ba yan? Kay Jake lang yata yun eh.
Jake lang yun. Sa kotse na lang ako.
Ah, ganun ba?
Laki yan. Double.
Ba't hindi? Parang igsi.
Eh. Laki yan sa loob. Darcy.
Kaya pala, dinispatcha mo yung Kings eh. Pinamana mo kay Axman eh. Pusa, lahat na lang ng mga mabuburaot, binuburaot eh. Oh Jake, you made the track there. Is that your track? Okay, how's your four-wheel drive going? Stuck again. Oh, no good. Put it in low range and give it a bump. You're making it too hard for your truck. Chow time.
Okay, dali mo na.
Sinigang na bangus.
Dali mo na to para sigurado
Ayan.
i-introduce sa kanya.
Ito, dito kami. Ito yung natin dyan. Sinigang na bangus with corned beef.
Sa gitna ng kawalan.
Bro, ayos ba?
The best.
Iceman?
Yes.
How about you, Viper?
Bro, the best yung sinigang ni Axman. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na.
Iyon. Pampatibay ng tuhod. Diba, Bindoy? Alright. Ito kami. Having a brunch. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, brunch dinner. We're having fun in the bush. Yeah, sarap na setup namin, oh. Oh. $6. Pwede na. Diba?
Akala ko meron
$6.
parang pupuntahan tayo ng parang office na i-check natin yung ko natin.
Okay, here at the campground, you get the locals here. Oh yeah. Oop. There you go. They're running away. They got scared of me. Still far away from them. Yeah. I'm just gonna zoom in. Please. Yeah, that's a river over there. You see it?
Yeah.
Is that a wallaby? Or a red kangaroo?
I want to throw a stick at it, and then we can eat it.
Don't go too close, Jake.
Yeah, it looks like a wallaby.
Yeah, it looks like a wallaby, eh? Yeah. It's a nice place here. Here with me is my mate's son, Jake. Say hi, Jake.
Hello.
He's a good boy. He likes to go camping. So it's just all the boys here. You get the group here. It's four-wheel drives, chicken track lovers, Pinoy Off-Road Australia. Yeah. That's my rig, Prado 120. And that's Albin's Prado 150 over there.